Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In the last episode, we upgraded some server parts and installed Unraid. In this episode, we're going to configure Unraid. Let's get started.
Open your browser and type the IP address of the server. Here we get the registration page. We can either purchase a key or get a trial key. Now I'm going to click on get a trial key and then start trial.
I personally chose to use the trial version of Unraid, but if you're going to be using it for something like production, I recommend just buying the license key. Let's install some important plugins that will assist us with the Unraid setup.
Click Plugins, then Install Plugins. Enter the following URL and then click on Install. Click Done and refresh the page, and a new tab called Apps should appear. Click I understand, and then click it again.
Now that the Unraid community application has been installed, we can start downloading and installing some plugins.
The first plugin we're going to install is Unassigned Devices. Go to the search bar and type Unassigned Devices. We are going to install both the Unassigned Devices and the Unassigned Devices Plus. Next, search for pre-clear disk and install. This will test the hard drive before you add them to the array to make sure they are in proper working order.
Now that we have these plugins installed, let's start the array configuration. In my configuration, I am going to be using 7 3TB drives for data and 1 6TB drive for parity. We need to start by pre-clearing the disks. Let's get started.
Click Tools, then Pre-Clear. Here we see the list of our drives. Click Start Pre-Clear on disks. This will take a few hours to run. Navigate back to the main screen and assign the disks. This first section here is where the array gets set up. Add the 7 3TB drive and the 1 6TB drive. Now remember, the parity disk has to be the same size or larger than the disk array.
Hey guys, I really hope you're enjoying the video. Please hit that like and subscribe for updates for future content.
Scroll down and start the array. Make sure the parity is already valid option is checked. Now click start and then click proceed. Refresh the page. Scroll down, click yes, I want to do this. Now hit OK. Now hit format.
Now that the array has been created, let's go back and create the cache pools.
Now we need to stop the array, so let's scroll down and click stop, then proceed. Now scroll down to pool devices and click add pool. Here you can change the name of the cache, but we're going to keep it as is. Slots is the number drives to add to the cache pool. We are going to leave it as 1. Now select the drive you wish to use as your cache drive. You may also add additional cache pools. Let's scroll down and start the array.
Now that we have the cache pool set up, we need to proceed with formatting.
Scroll down and click yes, I'd like to do this. Now click OK. Now click format. We can see that the cache drives are formatting. After formatting, our array is 21 terabytes and our cache drive is 512 gigabytes.
Now that we have the drive set up, let's install some additional plugins. The next plugin we are going to install is called CA Fix Common Problems. This plugin can help find problems within Unraid and provide solutions to fix them.
Click Apps. In the search bar, search for Fix Common Problems. Click Install. Click Done. Click Actions, then Settings. Here we could set a schedule to run hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly scans and notifications for any issues. Next, search for the Dynamix System buttons. This will install the system button and provide some useful shortcuts. Click Install. Done. Refresh the page. The system buttons now appear on the menu bar. Next, search for the Auto Update plugin. This will update your plugins automatically. Click Install. Now click Done. Click Actions, then Settings. Here you can set up options to check and update plugins automatically. Next, search for the System Info plugin. This plugin will provide information about your server. Click Install. Now click Done. Click Actions and then Settings. Here we can see detailed information about your server. Now search for the System Temp plugin. This will provide real-time information of the temperature of your motherboard and processor. Click Install. And OK. Now click Done.
This plugin requires Perl. Let's install the NerdPak plugin and configure Perl.
Search for the NerdPak plugin and install it. Click Actions and then Settings. In the search bar, search for Perl. Enable it and click on Apply. Click Done. Search for System Temp. Click Actions and go to Settings. Now click Detect, then Save. Here we can select the probes for the processor, motherboard, and fans. Once you have set up your probes, click Apply. Click Dashboard. Here you can see the motherboard and processor temperature.
Now we have our Unraid server set up. Please check out the next video in the mini-series to where I discuss how to set up a Plex server and the media share for all your video files.